YouTube but hesitant to reveal your face on camera? You're not alone. Many aspiring YouTubers want to cash in on the platform's potential without the need for on-screen presence. In this video, we'll explore a creative and lucrative way to earn money on YouTube using ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model, while keeping your identity private. By leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, you can produce engaging and informative videos that can generate a substantial income. What is ChatGPT? Before we dive into the details, let's briefly discuss ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It has a wide range of applications, from answering questions and providing information to creating content for various purposes. Utilizing ChatGPT on YouTube. Now, let's explore how you can utilize ChatGPT to create YouTube content without showing your face. Scripted narration. ChatGPT can generate high-quality scripts for your videos. You can write or input your ideas, and ChatGPT will transform them into engaging narratives. These scripts can serve as the backbone of your videos, providing valuable content to your audience. Voiceovers. You can use text-to-speech (TTS) technology to turn ChatGPT-generated scripts into voiceovers for your videos. Many TTS tools can produce natural-sounding voices, making it seem like you are narrating the content yourself. This allows you to maintain anonymity while delivering compelling narration. Visual content. While your face remains off camera, you can focus on creating visually appealing content. Use engaging animations, stock footage, images, and graphics to complement your narration. This visual content will keep your audience entertained and informed. Unique video ideas. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm unique and interesting video ideas. Ask it for suggestions based on popular trends or niche topics within your chosen YouTube category. This can help you stand out and attract a dedicated audience. Audience engagement. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and questions. You can use ChatGPT to draft thoughtful responses, enhancing the sense of interaction on your channel. Building a loyal community can lead to increased views and monetization opportunities. Monetization strategies. Now that you're creating content using ChatGPT, it's time to explore how to monetize your YouTube channel without revealing your face. Ad revenue. As your channel gains popularity, you can monetize it through YouTube's partner program. You'll earn money from ads displayed on your videos, with revenue generated based on views and ad interactions. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your video content using affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions and encourage viewers to make purchases. You'll earn a commission for each sale made through your links. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands and businesses in your niche for sponsored content opportunities. You can promote their products or services in your videos and earn a fee for doing so. Merchandise sales. Create and sell merchandise related to your channel's content. T-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise can be designed around your channel's branding, providing an additional income stream. Patreon and donations. Encourage your loyal viewers to support you through platforms like Patreon or by accepting donations through platforms like PayPal or Buy Me a Coffee. Offer exclusive perks to your supporters, such as early access to videos or behind-the-scenes content.